Bienvenue, welcome in Nancy.
Thank you for the invitation. Very happy to be here.
Yeah, Jean-Philippe, thanks a lot for the invitation. It's a great pleasure for us to be here with you.
Hello, Andras. Nice to welcome you at Nancy Airfield. So you are here today for the first time in France,
Yes.
and to present and introduce Turbulence Solution, a company in Austria. A very nice and new concept. It's the dream of every pilot and every co-pilot, like women.
Yeah.
How did you come to this idea? If
Thank you very
explain.
much. Yes, so I'm Anders, I'm the founder of Turbulence Solutions, and it was already 10 years ago that we had this idea, looking at the birds. They are flying stable in no matter which weather. So you look at the wings and they're constantly adapting to the flow. And then I had the idea, somehow I could do something similar with control. So I did that on the university, TU Wien, so it's the Technical University in Vienna. And there was an invention about very fast lift generation and what to do with that. And I had the experience as a pilot. Passengers really don't like turbulence. Yes, very important is that we already measure ahead of the wing. So we're not surprised by the turbulence. Suddenly you have the bump and then you react on it. If you do that as a pilot, the turbulence is invisible, you're always behind. And actually you have now the bump down, the bump up. If you want to cancel it by up down and you're shifted, it's double up. So
Voilà, ça paraît anodin quand quelque chose a été développé, on dit il suffisait d'y penser. Non, ça représente des années de travail, des années de réflexion, des années de modification et tout ça. Et pourquoi on est arrivé à installer ce système sur les Sharks et qui sont maintenant en exclusivité sur les Sharks? C'est de par le fait qu'il y a eu des contacts entre le CEO de Shark et Andras, et ils ont tout de suite matché, et alors ils ont dit bon, on va le faire, ce magnifique système sur le Shark.
the vision is to make flights turbulence free, so all the flights, and it should be for everyone. And so thank you a lot to Shark, because it's something that you really need to risk. It's a lot of effort also on Shark side to get where we are, and we have a certification for a completely new system in aviation to demonstrate that it's safe, that it works like it should.
Jean-Paul, tu vas le recevoir l'année prochaine, c'est ça?
Voilà, ça c'est la bonne nouvelle.
C'est la bonne nouvelle, oui.
La bonne nouvelle, c'est qu'il y aura un Shark aussi turbo que nous avons tuné à 109 chevaux pour le marché français, qui sera équipé aussi du Turbulence Solutions. Comme ça donnera l'opportunité à beaucoup de personnes de pouvoir l'essayer. Et je me ferai un plaisir de venir en France.
On l'avait déjà présenté, on avait volé ensemble sur son Shark.
In the machine, you have the main command, and you have this small winglet that you add.
Yes.
But does your system act on the small one and it act also the big one, or is just the small one?
It's just a small one, and that's a little bit of the magic, and I would say very good design, because it's only this small flaplet. It's less than 10% of the whole chord of the wing. So if this is the whole wing, only this is the flaplet.
The flaplet does the shaking for us. Yeah. Beep, 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 comme ça.
On the left side and on the right side.
Voilà.
Il y a un temps de retour, le temps que l'instrument calcule, c'est ça en fait.
And some kind of the magic is also, it's a so-called feed forward. So we're not waiting for it to happen and measure the acceleration and react on acceleration, but it's completely measuring the disturbance and already only from that putting the counter turbulence on the wings.
Voilà. Bon, pour le vulgariser un peu, donc à la tête des tubes, en réalité gauche et droite, il y a 3 senseurs qui mesurent les variations de pression avec une immense sensibilité. Donc ces différences de pression vont être analysées par l'ordinateur qui lui va envoyer les commandes sur les cerveaux à très haute vélocité et ajuster en fonction des algorithmes pour garder l'avion. Voilà,
pour chaque aile aussi.
And so the basic principle is easy to explain. We measure the turbulence before it happens and then do the right counter turbulence. It's a lot of mathematics, a lot of control.
Andras, et à juste titre, est en train de nous dire vulgariser c'est bien, mais ça sous-entend une complexité mathématique de très haut niveau, parce que c'est hyper complexe. Et ça, Andras n'est pas prêt à divulguer encore tous les algorithmes. Voilà.
It's okay.
Voilà, mais ce qui est très bien, parce que c'est des questions qui viendront par la suite, c'est oui, mais si le pilote agit sur le stick, est-ce que ça va contrarier le fonctionnement des données et l'input ou l'output qui va être donné sur les cerveaux? Eh bien non.
Un peu comme un pilote automatique.
Voilà, mais donc ça n'a pas d'incidence sur le fonctionnement.
Reste connecté tout le temps.
Voilà. Donc on peut continuer à voler avec l'avion comme on le fait d'habitude et le système va continuer à agir pour les turbulences.
Exactly.
C'est un peu comme sur les chasseurs, les fly-by-wire. Enfin, non?
You can, but it's not the primary flight control. So fly-by-wire usually is your aileron, your elevator, by digital control, and that means it's very sensitive. It's very critical because if it fails, you can't control the aircraft anymore. In our case, it's a fail-safe, small secondary fly-by-wire. All tests with landing and so on. So no matter what, you can continue.
La meilleure démonstration, ce sera en vol, vu qu'il y a des bonnes turbulences aujourd'hui.
Voilà.
31 degrés. Bon, 31 degrés, c'est bien pour voler.
Thank you. It's always short in French.
Andras va vous en parler en vol également. Il va vous expliquer tout ça vraiment en pratique. En tout cas, on est super content de le recevoir et puis qu'il nous parle.
You started 8 years ago this ingenious concept and company. So what is your vision for the next years now?
So it was like 4 years on university, starting really from an idea being alone until having 3-4 in a research project, showing it in a one-seater manned aircraft, but research. So it was like on the wing just outside and the normal flaps that you can't operate at high speed and so on, just demonstrating it works. It was 4 years. Then it was 4 years from getting from technology to actual product and certification. And now another 4 years, I want to be in an airliner. So it should...
Qui n'est pas encore la célébrité mondiale qui va devenir avec ce système. Donc voilà, amis pilotes français, nous avons cette opportunité qui nous a été donnée. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup d'être venu de Vienne en 2h30.
Nous sommes très fiers de t'avoir reçu. Merci beaucoup.
Merci. Et regardez, il est magnifique. Turbulence Consent, Turbulence Solution. .aéro. Voilà. Bravo à toi.
Was a pleasure. Thank you.
Et pour essayer le Shark, donc avec le Turbulence Cancelled, Jean-Paul, l'importateur qui est au Luxembourg et également Benelux France, se fera un plaisir de vous répondre par mail, par téléphone et de vous rendre visite.
Ça sera un très grand plaisir.
À bientôt les pilotes.
À bientôt les amis pilotes.
Dans le secteur d'Oréville, ce serait pour les paramètres s'il vous plaît.
Oscar, donc 92 à la 03, vent du 0,60 degrés pour 6 nœuds, 1020 au QNH, rappelez alpha.
1020 pour rappel alpha, Oscar, Echo 92.
And left, yeah. And right before 21. Yeah.
You already passing Foxtrot November 03, correct?
Je suis avec Andras.
Là, vous avez survolé à basse altitude toute la commune de Séchamps.
On the Shark. You passed near the fuel station outside.
Yeah.
It's a very pleasure to fly with you.
It's a big pleasure to be here.
It's the first in France.
You're the first to experience turbulence cancelling in France. I think it's good conditions. It's a hot day.
Yeah.
So we will have some thermals. Just check them now. Safety. Yes, we're good to go.
You're ready?
Yeah, ready for departure.
Québec, X-ray reçu, bon voilà bientôt.
Nancy, Oscar, Echo 92, prêt au départ 03.
Oscar 92 reçu, vous assurez la séparation avec le Beach 33 là qui est en courte là au niveau des tours de Jarville.
On maintient, on attend que le Beach 33 se pose, Oscar Echo. You stay 1 minute.
Yeah, they're arriving.
Yeah, you have a Beach 33 in the final.
Yes.
Final. The life.
It's a hot day, yeah. Better?
Yeah.
And then we have the flaplets to do the counter turbulence.
Andreas est en train de vous dire que c'est les deux tubes qui vont gérer la turbulence en vol. Vous allez voir tout ça. Voilà, le Beach 33 va se poser. Oscar Echo 92, on s'aligne en 03.
Reçu, vous annoncerez le décollage en fonction du dégagement du Beach 33.
On annoncera le décollage en fonction du Beach 33, Oscar Echo 93. 9-2. You can take off, I say only taking off.
Runway 03. Identified and clear.
It's okay for you, Oscar Echo, Nancy 9-2, on décolle 03. Taking off 03.
Oscar 9-2, cockpit, surface wind 030 degrees, 10 knots, report leaving frequency.
Report leaving frequency, Oscar Echo 9-2.
You're good?
Oui, c'est good.
So, runway clear, take off time 14, take off power set.
Take fuel with Air Total card.
Cockpit, you can taxi to the fuel station.
Merci beaucoup. Taxi to the fuel station, November Alpha Mike.
Little left, not survol session.
Yeah, like this?
Yeah, okay.
Exactly, that is all these bumps, the passengers freak out, and with the system, it's calm again.
You can take a right.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Alors, vous voyez, ça bouge pas trop, hein, malgré les turbulences. You active the...
Yes, it's active.
Active, okay.
It's only the vertical force, so it would still get some roll effects and some side force that you can still feel. Especially in low atmosphere, you have a lot of these other effects. Okay. But if I turn off again, do you feel it instantly? If you look at your stomach feels this up and down. What is also a good test is if you try, do you feel that there are all these bumps? If you put your hand like this and you want to for instance, push something, you can see how the turbulence pushes up and down.
You don't show all the... You can left? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Do you feel that? It's the system is off now.
Okay.
Yeah. So
yes. Power statue. Okay.
So now it's off. And I just go straight. Also with the autopilot, so I'm not interfering with anything.
Autopilot.
So you feel the turbulence?
Yeah.
Activate the system.
Yeah.
And it's much calmer, right? So...
Attends, just a minute. Nancy, Oscar Echo, 9-2 en sortie.
Oscar 9-2, reçu à tout à l'heure.
Tout à l'heure. You want... yeah, left. Alors malgré qu'il fasse chaud, it's very hot. Your system turbulence, it's okay, hein?
Yes,
it's very good.
Yeah, it's really good. You can see it's working a lot. So it's now the worst case turbulence for a hot day. It's now at now 4 p.m. You have the most thermals, and a lot of pilots just don't fly in this weather. You can see my hand is very steady.
Yeah.
Not any problem.
Yeah.
And if I turn off the system, you can see immediately how it shakes.
Yeah.
And the same happens to the stomach. So the hand is a very good indicator. You can try it yourself. This is now with the system turned off. And if I turn on, it's very steady again.
Okay.
And you can see all this shaking that the turbulence does to my hand. Instead, the flaplet does the shaking for us. Nice, right? Yeah. And if you have an aircraft like that is very fast and light, you have a lot of turbulence, but you don't buy it to go slower. So with this feature, you still can go fast and have the comfort. So there's no counter turbulence, and you can feel it. It's really in your stomach. Can you feel it?
Runway 03 news.
I feel.
So that's the turbulence. System is off.
Okay.
Runway 03.
And now the system again is on.
Yeah, okay. It's stable. Very nice.
Very good.
It's a perfect match in Shark.
But still you can feel it's very good, the effect.
Okay.
Very well.
You can take on the right side.
The right, yeah.
Yeah. You are work very hard to find the system.
Yes, it was a lot of work, and And then it gives a big smile when it works like this. So here really a lot of turbulence are supposed to put the system off.
Yeah.
And here it's again now calmer.
Là, it's very slowly là.
Yes.
On est à 3100 pieds, on est à 230 km/h. You see the airport? No? You turn for the beginning of downwind 03. You can take in the right.
Yeah, a little bit right.
Right, là-bas.
Yeah.
Là-bas. And downwind.
03 or 24?
03.
03, yeah. So like this, right?
Yes, it's the end of downwind.
Yeah.
You can take the start of downwind.
Ah, start of downwind, yeah, okay, perfect.
Séparation avec le Cessna et on rappelle le 03 pour le Oscar Echo 92.
Début de vent arrière 03, je confirme.
Début de vent arrière 03, Oscar Echo 92. You can take the start of downwind 03.
Right of the first?
Right, because you have a plane on downwind. It's 1,800 feet.
Runway 03.
Okay.
Surface wind 030 degrees, 10 knots.
It's okay for turning.
Turning, yeah.
Open for your flight back to Luxembourg.
Welcome, and that's complete. Merci.
Nancy, Oscar Echo 92, début de vent arrière 03.
Oscar 92, reçu rappelé base 03, le précédent très court pour un touché.
On appelle en base 03, on a bien pris pour le précédent pour très courte. Oscar Echo 92. You have a jet on a final, short final.
On a final, okay. Yeah. So now the system deactivated automatically at low speed. So for landing, we don't have the system. That's the most critical phase, but for 99% of flight, you have it where it's critical.
It's automatic.
It's automatic. You only power on at ground and activate, and that's it. Then it deactivates by itself.
Okay.
So gear down.
On remercie également tous les participants pour ce TC de vol test Turbulence Solutions, ainsi que l'importateur Jean-Paul Kuhn, avec qui vous pouvez prendre contact pour avoir tous les renseignements sur ce merveilleux système. Et longue vie à Turbulence Solutions ainsi qu'au Shark. Merci pour la confiance à Jean-Paul à travers ce reportage. Et bon vol à tous les pilotes, à bientôt.
Impressionné, vraiment impressionné. En plus là je pense que les conditions sont vraiment extrêmes. Bluffant. À voir en utilisation. Alors quand on est passager c'est toujours différent que en étant pilote parce qu'on sait pas bien qu'on s'est activé, etc. Mais,
Toi tu reçois le tien quand l'année prochaine?
Ouais, juin prochain.
D'accord. Un homme heureux, avec un chat.